Why do cats go crazy for running water? It's not just a weird quirk, it's instinct. In the wild, cats know that still water can be unsafe, while running water is fresh and oxygenated. That's why your cat may ignore their bowl but drink from the tap or toilet. They also love the sound, it triggers curiosity and play instincts. To keep your cat hydrated and happy, try a pet water fountain. Keep it clean and replace the filter regularly. Add ice cubes for fun or flavor. If your cat avoids their bowl, try stainless steel instead of plastic, it reduces smell and bacteria buildup. Want to keep your cat healthier every day? Tap the first pinned comment. Your next cat care tip is waiting there.